and I was wondering if you were able to be assisting with a battery alternator starter problem.
What kind of car?
What kind of car?
Acura Integra.
Acura Integra.
I mean, are you positive it's alternator / starter?
Well, here's the thing. My battery seems fine. But here now, we got back in the car. We started driving. We stopped at a Taco Bell. The car was fine. We get out of Taco Bell. We go in the car. I turn the key. It's not even cranking. All that I hear is a click under the hood. We tried to jump start it. I mean, obviously, I think the first thing we should try with you is to jump start it. And if it is does that sound like alternator or starter? There's just like a click when you turn the key. Does it sound like it's alternator or starter from what I'm describing to you?
It sounds like a starter. I mean, if it was fine, if the lights aren't dimming or anything like that, then...
CarHelpOut.com.
Can you do that?
It's the convenience.
I know you don't know my specific car, what's going on, but, like, is there something worse it could be?
I mean, do you have, like, a long pole or something?
What's a long pole?
Do you have, like, something that's long, that's sturdy?
Possibly. Why?
Do you know where the starter is?
George, do you know where the starter is? No, but if you tell me, like, what you want me to do, I could probably do it. I have a golf club. There's, like, one or two quick things I could try.
Like I said, so did you try hitting it while starting it?
Yeah, hit, like, how hard should I hit it?
Just like a mediocre tap.
Hit the black part or the metal part, or keep bumping
just the whole thing. Try to see if it does something.
Are you cranking?
Hit somewhere.
Okay, hold on, keep going. Try.
Remember, if you ever need a mobile mechanic service that will travel to you and repair your car, truck, or van at any convenient location, we can help you get back on the road again by putting their knowledge and years of experience to work for you. CarHelpOut.com/location for a local mobile mechanic car repair service near you. And we do pre-purchase inspections on used car buying at any location. CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.